Hi YouTube, it's Jashi. A month ago, I released the first episode of a new series called From Wreck to Rich, where I will show you my whole journey from my current situation to possibly a millionaire throughout the next couple of months. As I told you last time, I'm transitioning out of my job at Lamborghini. I will stop working for them in the next 2 weeks and I will officially become unemployed, broke, you name it. A good update is that I officially passed all the real estate exams. I just submitted my application to become a realtor so I can actively also buy and sell properties when I will focus on flipping them. So let's jump right to it. Last month I showed you my net worth, which was sitting at $293,000. So what changed in this month? Well, number one, I still got my salary, so I was able to place a little bit money around, starting with Fundrise, where we went from $32,000 to $33K, so $1,000 over what I was at last month. Number two, my crypto.com staking account. Last month we were at $7,000. This month crypto.com went mooning and I gained another $3,000 as I was holding a little bit of that cryptocurrency. So now we are at 10K, which means we had a $3,000 increase from my 7K account from last month. Cash wise, of course, I still had my job, so I had some cash coming in. We added another $3,400 to my cash balance, meaning that right now we are around $48K and $400. AI marketing, very surprising. We were at $1,000 last month. We're now at 1.9K this month. Just in returns, they have been performing very well, more than what I was expecting in passive income. All this led to a total increase of my net worth by $8,400, bringing my total net worth to $301,300 in total, which is really good news because we passed the 300K milestone after all liabilities in net worth. It's a good milestone. We're still missing 700K to get to that 1 million mark, and I'm excited to get there. Now, when it comes to income streams, what changes happened this month? Number one, I just told you I passed all my real estate exams. I just submitted the application to become a realtor, which will give me some extra income on top of me flipping homes, as I will try also to sell a couple of homes if people are interested, etc. etc. Number two, I just closed a contract with a model agency in Philadelphia that will get me, let's say, more into the modeling world. I will also try to get into New York and other markets. That will be more an active income, but a pretty good sustainable source of income. Number three, I talked to a couple of investors I'm already working with. I will start using their money to flip homes, so we'll have a good source of capital to start flipping homes and split the profits with them. So that part there will help me grow my net worth too. As I just showed you in the numbers, my AI marketing account has been performing better than I expected. Rather than producing $750 a month, it actually made me $900 a month, which I'm all reinvesting to increase my monthly income. TikTok has been producing $70 for me this month, which is nothing. I don't even consider it. YouTube, we're still working towards monetization, but it's growing. I'm pretty happy with it. Still zero on that. That's it for now. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. If you want to follow the journey, please subscribe. If you have any ideas, any questions, leave a comment in the comment section and I will reply to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys. Ciao.